Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to Teacher Kenny's Say With Me pronunciation course. Now today we're going to start working with these consonant blends, what they call digraphs. And it's in English is where we get two letters and together they make a sound. And we'll work with some B's and some C's today. Some sounds are really easy, some of them are hard. That's why we have this video course, and so you can work on the things that you need to work on, so your English will be good. Now, a couple of sounds we're going to work with. Let me pull up here. Now, the first ones are going to be BL, like in black, and you see my voice go blah, blah, or blue. So like black, blue, blah, blah. Then we're going to have BR words like break. And when you have the R, you always really work off the R. Like broken, break. Hear that? Bruh, bruh. And that's how you get that sound. So we're going to have the BL, blah, BR, bruh. And we're working off that sound. Then when we go to the C's, we're going to be doing CH, the ch, like Charles, or chunk, just ch, ch. And it starts out its unvoiced, ch, ch. And that's how you know if something's unvoiced, it's just air coming out. So, we're going to have words like that. Then we're going to have the CR, which is going to be a little bit different. It's like cruh, like crack, crow, cruh. And that's the words we're going to be looking for there. So stay tuned and follow me with the vocabulary and just say after me, okay? And we'll see you here in just a second. Okay, well, welcome back. Now, this lesson today we're going to start working with digraphs, where two letters make a sound. And of course, this is all over English, and some sounds are easier to make than others. But let's take a look at the picture here, and look at the line 1. These are BL, so it's blah, blah. And you do it really slow. Go blah, blah. Now do it together. Blah, black, blow. Just repeat after me. Got it? Blur, blouse. Just practice that sound in your head. Blah, blah. Line 2, blue, blonde, blush, block. See, it's not so hard. Just repeat after me. Line 3, bliss, bloom, bloat, blood. Now you'll notice that following the BL, you have a vowel, and certain vowels are easier to say than others. So you'll always have that problem, but you'll find that it gets easier and easier. Now let's look at the BR digraph. Bruh, bruh, bread. See line 1, bread, break. Just follow me. Breath, bridge. Line 2, bright, brave, brand, and bride. See that? Bride. Our last line, brain, brown, brass, broom. So there's you two good BL and BR sounds. Now we're going to tackle some C's here also. So let's go BC, and let me find my letters here that we want to use. All right. First one we're going to do are the CH, CL, CR digraphs. Now the first one here is the CH's. So line 1, and this is the ch, chain. So line 1, chain. Cheese, change. Chew. Line 2, chair. Chalk. Repeat after me. Chicken. Here's our oi sound. Choice. Line 3, chat. Cherry. Child. And chase. So ch, ch, ch. Okay, now we're going to go to the CLs and the CR words. Now CL is just cl, 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 cloth, climb, cloud, club. Line 2, close, clap, clown. And you hear all those, the L and the O to the owl, and you got the N, clown. Clay. Line 3, clever, clock, clean, clerk. Okay, now we're going to go to the CR, which is like cr, crab. So line 1, crab, crackle, crawl. Hear that L at the end? Crawl. Cricket. Line 2, creek, cracker, crazy. And the last word is cry. Now, all these sounds are really, really important. They're all part of just learning English, and go over these as many times as you need to and get the sound to be really clear. Good, crisp, clear English, and you will be understood. So that's today's lesson. Practice, practice, practice. You know, in China they say hao hao xie xi tian tian xiang xiang, which means good, good, study, day, day up. So anyhow, you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.